going to show you how to make a really delicious and healthy something called Gua Bao. And you can stuff it in anything you like. You can stuff it in one of my other videos called barbecue pork, and you can stuff it in almost anything. You can eat it for dinner, for lunch, or just for a snack. So let's start making, even though it's going to be very tricky. Okay, go. You've got some plain flour in here, some milk, some oil, some salt, some sugar, warm water, active dry yeast. Okay, let's start. We're gonna put the yeast inside the warm water. And a teaspoon of sugar. We're gonna mix it together until the sugar melts, I think. But the yeast is still here. So we're going to set this aside for 5 minutes. We are going to use milk, sugar, the remaining sugar, and salt, and mix it up with the plain flour. It smells good. So this is a very dry dough. It doesn't stick on it anymore. Now we're going to add the old mixture, so one we set aside for 5 minutes. Hello, so we'll see you again, and pour it into our dough. Kind of fizzing. Now I'm going to use my hands to make the dough stick together. And they've got lots of crumbs. Now we're going to roll the dough. And you're kneading the dough so the whole blob sticks together. And if it becomes too dry, add a few drops of water. I'm gonna put this in this bowl and use the cling wrap and wrap on the top. Double of the size. You see? From the phone. So now we're gonna cut this baking paper. Baking paper. Done. Oh, it's easier. I'm cutting this in half. I'm going to cut this dough into 10 pieces. So rolling this and then cutting it in half, and one side will have 5 and the other side will have 5. Same with this one. First, I'm gonna make this silly shape kind of dough into a ball like this one. Okay. First, we're gonna knead it. The more you knead it, the wider it gets. And now we've already kneaded it. We're about to do it again. Now we're going to roll it into a ball. Remember, you have to be careful. I'm going to get when I'm rolling it in the middle. Get some oil and then wash it on the dough. So when it's finished steaming, it won't stick together. See, it's very slippery. It's done, and put it on the baking papers you've cut. Now it's ready to steam. See you after you steam. After you made this taco kind of shape, you can, to add the decoration, you can make a shape like here in half. I'm going to cut a crease line in half, and then a third. So I'm going to use the bottom corners, cut in the sides. They've got 3 different ways to eat it. We have got chashu, the one I tasted, the pork, and chicken. Why does that make you want to? Oh yeah, and please click the bell below to subscribe and ring the notification bell. You get notified if we have a new dish. Okay, let's eat it. It tastes delicious. This one has good shell.